Hey, man. What kind of game are you playing?
I have a message from Miss Maya.
You walk in here strapped to the nines with a long-ass butcher knife saying you have a message for someone?
I know you don't trust me. Maybe for good reason. But like you said, I didn't make me like this. Odell did. If you die, I die. Come on, Khalil. Deep down inside is survival instinct. And all of us. You need me on this. That's why you're here.
This technology is too important. It could set us both free. I can't take the risk of you killing the wrong person.
What does that even mean, bro? Set us free. But what you're really saying is set you free from me. I'm not stupid.
I think it means we can stop warring with each other and finally live in peace. No more kill orders causing you pain. No more fear or worry of Odell or anyone else controlling you. You will always be part of me. It's just a matter of how.
Then trust me.
I don't want Grace dead as a result of collateral damage. We'll go in, save Grace, and then get the technology. And if things get real bad, then you'll finish. Understood?
I'll be on my best behavior.
Wake up, boy. We got a message for you.